बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum class 7. Today we will learn Unit 7 Financial Arithmetic and we will going to solve exercise 7D question number 8, 9 and 10. Now students, we are going to solve the question number 8. What interest is to be paid for rupees 850 borrowed for 6 months at 5.5% per annum? Students, interest calculate करना आपने. Principal P is given, that is equal to rupees 850, and the rate of interest is also given, that is equal to 5.5%. So it will be equal to 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11/2%. Students, time is also given, that is equal to 6 month. तो टाइम को हम हमेशा मेजर करते हैं ईयर्स में. सो मंथ्स को ईयर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे 12 पे. सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 1/2 ईयर. Now students, we know that I is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. So we are going to putting the values of P, R and T. So we get 850 multiplied by 11/2 multiplied by 1/2 divided by 100. Now students, 0 0 के साथ cancel. So it will be equal to 85 multiplied by 11 divided by 4 divided by 10. Like 2 2s are 4. Students, 85 multiplied by 11, it will be equal to 935 divided by 4 divided by 10. So when we are going to divide the 935 with 4, it will be equal to 233.75. And when we are going to divide the 233.375 by 10, so it will be equal to rupees 23.375. So the interest will be equal to rupees 23.375 is your required answer. Now students, we are going to solve the question number 9. Calculate the amount on rupees 560 for 6 months at 3% per annum. Now students, we are going to calculate the amount. So amount will be equal to principal plus interest. So for this we are going to calculate first interest. Amount हमने calculate करनी है. The principal is given, that is equal to 560. The rate of interest is also given, which is equal to 3%, and the time is equal to 6 months. So we are going to convert the months into years. So it will be equal to 1 and 2 year, 1/2 years. Now students, we know that the amount will be equal to principal plus interest. Now students, we know that I is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. We are going to putting the values of P, R and T. We get 560 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1/2 divided by 100. Now students, 0 0 के साथ cancel. 2 1s are 2. 2 28s are 56. So it will be equal to 28 multiplied by 3 divided by 10. 28 3s are equal to 84 divided by 10. 84 जब 10 पर डिवाइड होगा तो it will be equal to 8.4. So the value of interest is equal to 8.4. Now we are going to calculate the value of amount. So it will be equal to principal plus interest 560 plus 8.4. So it will be equal to rupees 568.4. Now students, we are going to solve the question number 10. What principal will earn an interest of rupees 130 at the rate of 3 into 1/4% in 5 years? Students, principal की amount हमने calculate करनी है. Now interest is equal to 130 and the rate of interest is also given, that is equal to 3 into 1/4%. Cancellation करेंगे. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13/4%, and time is also given, that is equal to 5 years. Now students, P will be equal to 100 multiplied by I divided by T multiplied by R. So we are going to putting the values of I, T and R. So we get 100 multiplied by 130 divided by 5 multiplied by 13/4. So it will be equal to 100 multiplied by 130, it will be equal to 13,000. 5 multiplied by 13 divided by 4. So student, 13,000 divided by 5 multiplied by 13, it will be equal to 65 divided by 4. So ये डिवाइड हो रहा है, सो मैंने इसको ऐसे राइट कर लिया 13,000 डिवाइडेड बाय 65 बाय 4। व्हेन जब डिवीजन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज होती है तो वैल्यूज क्या हो जाती है, रेसिप्रोकल। सो 4 न्यूमरेटर में राइट करेंगे और 65 को डिनोमिनेटर में। नाउ स्टूडेंट 65 ones are 65 एंड 65 को जब 13,000 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा, 200। सो 200 multiplied by 4 will be equal to rupees 800. So the value of principal will be equal to rupees 800. It is your required answer. Take care and Allah Hafiz.